Okay, so I'm going to show you how to use this today. So this is just kind of an overview when you first come in. What we're going to be doing is the one up on the right, not the one at the bottom. So you're going to go up here, you're going to click Molecular Builder. You're going to come to the Molecule Builder. This is just an old one I added there. And so I'm going to show you how to do ammonia, which is the example. So the first thing you do is count the electrons. So N is 5, H is 1, and there are 3 H's. So what you'd write down there is 5 plus 3 times 1 equals 8. So now what you're going to do is you're going to connect the electrons. So you need to go from one dot on 1 to the center atom. And remember, your center atom is usually the one you only have one of. Usually it's something that has like 5, 6 electrons to it, 4, 5, or 6. So I'm going to connect from H to H. So I'm on my MacBook. So I clicked on the first one, and then I just used the dragging and stopped on the second one. So I'm going to do the same thing here. I'm going to put my mouse here, my trackpad, I'm going to click down, and then I'm going to use my finger to go to the second one and let go, and we've got it. So that just made another single bond. And so on my last one then, I do the same thing. So then I check on here and make sure that this makes sense on here. I have an N and it's connected to 3 H's here. The N in the middle has 2, 4, 6. So you can see how this switched to bonds, and it just kind of reminding you there's 2 apiece in here. And then there's 2 more here, so that's 8. Remember, H never gets extra electrons in it. So when I'm done, I click check answer, and it will show you what this looks like in a Lewis dot structure. And you want to make sure that that has the right number of electrons. So you can either do a screenshot on this and go ahead and put it in that diagram and paste it in, or you can just sketch it out yourself. So again, what I want on that column is this part right here. So an N bonded to 3 H's with 2 dots. And then the last thing you're going to do is write what you made here. So if I look here, it's an N with 3 H's. So unless on here, there's only a few exceptions in this, and I'll tell you if they are. Like water's one is H2O, but most things in there, the center atom goes first, and then as a subscript, how many you have. So this here is 1 N and then 3 H's, so that's why I wrote NH3. Okay, and that's it. And so when you're ready to switch, you'll come back up here. We're only doing some of these that are covalent, which is the sharing of electrons, so we'll skip around on here. So the next one I want you to do, well, then will be methane. And then you're going to do water, hydrogen peroxide, several of those, and that's it.